Hey guys, it's Hunter again. Welcome back, and today we're going up to the Christmas mill and mine. So this might be a two-part video. As you can tell, they had a very big loading station here. And this is amazing how they just stacked this all. And I'll see you soon. Alright guys, coming out the way, found this fossil thing that looks like a boat here. It's pretty cool. So see you soon again. Alright guys, so we climbed up a waterfall. It's like this structure here. They would use that because this is a wash and water would come down and they don't want it to go, debris everywhere, so they built this. Pretty cool, but there will be some stuff cool in this video too. So yeah. See you soon. Okay, when
you get up further.
Waterfall section.
I know a guy who put these anchors in. I thought he put them in a fucking stupid spot.
So you can see
there's a smaller rope.
There's a rope here. You can and see what happens.
That was a good throw.
Alright guys, I just climbed the waterfall here. It wasn't that easy. Got that done. It's pretty beautiful. See you soon. Alright guys, so my dad's in this open stove. He's down here. He said he's been here a few years ago, but it's much more cleaner than it is now. I don't think it goes anywhere. We're almost up to the mill, and we'll see you there.
Okay.
Alright, right here is the mine shaft. As you can tell. Sun's going down it, and they tell us if it's a phase or not. If it's not, then we're gonna go in. Alright, so I was wrong. My dad put my tea kettle inside here. This is kind of neat. Kind of cool for other people also. Alright guys, so I saw this in my mind. Checked it out. It didn't really go anywhere, so we'll keep heading back up the trail and see you there. Alright guys, I reached the mill. I'll get an inside view too, but this is all of the mill. It has like 50 organs here. Get a front view look right here. Oh, it's like in the mill site here. In a workshop. As you can see, used to be some site here. And I'll just go ahead and come over here. You got like a chute here. It's neat. And here you can see an ore chute right there. This is all around. Over here is the workshop. Neat. And what cool is they separate the ore by different areas like this. Little ore chute here. That's pretty neat. This is outside. The chimney. It's all around. Neat little mill. I'm gonna try to go up there. Wish me luck. Alright, so I'm on the second floor here. Down there, it's the main ore chute. Here's like another floor here. That's the down floor. Kind of sketchy. Huge mill. There's another floor, but I might not go on it. So that's back here. I'll show something cool down here. Okay, I forgot to mention we're going to some mines up here. as you can tell. Well, down here on there, maybe there, not there. Some mines up there, I think. I'm on the main road right now. I'll tell you when we get to mine. We went up a few ways. Got like a structure here that mine doesn't go anywhere. Water tank. There's tons of tobacco cans here.
Oh, no.
Like, they loved tobacco cans. So, you wanna check out this mine? Alright guys, so in this cave area, back here, there's a, Brody coal. It's called Falls 4. Those 2x4s is the only thing that's holding me right now.
Right there.
So, I'm just gonna, alright,
YouTube channel.
coming in here.
So, we'll pick up in a second.
Okay. Nice stone top in here. Used to be a house, probably.
Probably was a house. Yeah, it probably was a house.
Kind of like here's another view of the back. Chimney. If you have heard of that friend, please leave in a comment section down below. Another tobacco can. Get some light in here. Yeah. Pretty nice in here. Alright, outside there's this frying pan. There says National. And I'm gonna check in there and see if there's anything cool. Okay guys, so this is the last mine explored. It didn't go anywhere, but there's this huge stable with like no spikes, no stuff or anything. This is the end of the video. I hope you enjoyed it and see you next time.
I'm gonna head down the hill. You wanna head down the hill?